Solar radiation is when two hydrogen fuse together and helium is formed. Helium comes out of the sun as photons. These photons heat up the water and turn it into water vapor. Evaporation is when the sun's light gives heat to the water on Earth. Then the water rises up into water vapor to turn into a cloud. A cloud forms when water vapor condenses into a gas. Then the gas takes form into a cloud. Also, when the sun shines on plants, the water coming out is called transpiration. Condensation is when solar radiation hits the ocean and the heats up water, but then water vapor rises and condensates together and creates clouds. The sun drives this by heating any liquid on Earth, but gravity doesn't drive it. When water vapor turns into a cloud, it rises to a certain point. When it gets higher and colder, then the water particles freeze and come closer together to create water. When water drops from the clouds to the ground, gravity forces the water into the ground. Then it waters the plants and creates transpiration. When water infiltrates the ground, it starts to store water underground. Then the water moves through the ground towards the ocean. Then it reaches the ocean and comes out of ground to start the water cycle over. Runoff is when water that comes from the clouds hits the water, but it does not infiltrate into the ground. Instead, the water flows on the ground and goes to more water. Then the water travels to more water to evaporate later.